What's up guys? Welcome back to another edition of Skatepark Lessons with me, JB, here at the Sunnyvale Skate Park. And today I'm going to teach you guys how to do frontside and backside 50-50s on ledges. So check it out. The skill level for this lesson is beginner, and the risk level for this lesson is low. The 50-50 is usually the first grind people learn in skateboarding. It can come quickly after learning to ollie, and is the base grind that all other grinds stem from. It teaches you an important lesson for how to enter and exit your grinds, which I'll be covering in this lesson. It also teaches you the speed required to complete your grind, as well as what to look for in the surface you're grinding. All of that and more in this episode of Skatepark Lessons. For this lesson, it helps if you can skate comfortably. Kick turn backside, kick turn frontside, complete a rolling drop off a curb, frontside kick turn off a curb, backside kick turn off a curb, both of which are in my 13 beginner tricks video, and knee slide. If you don't know how to do any of these, please refer back to my other videos on this channel to catch up. Here are the things you guys should do. Look for smooth concrete, steel, and hard plastics, as they are typically the best surfaces for grinds and slides. Feel out the spot that you want to grind by laying your board onto a 50-50. Now lean on your hands as you move the board back and forth to feel for a smooth grind or if it's going to be sticky. For certain surfaces, wax can help lubricate the spot that you want to grind for a faster, more reliable grind. Always practice on a low ledge before a rail for less risk while learning a grind. Pay attention to your entrance angle as you ollie into your grind. Make sure to lock in with your wheels against the outermost edge of the ledge for optimal balance and control. Practice these tips and tricks enough to build your own creative combinations and style. Here are the things you guys shouldn't do. When learning, don't try to get into your 50-50 by going super slow. Don't put a lot of wax on the object you're grinding. Start light and then add a little bit more if needed. Be careful with trying to grind wood or chunky concrete, as these surfaces can stop your board really fast. I hope you find Skatepark Lessons to be helpful. Please click the like and subscribe button and add me at Skatepark Lessons on social media. Tag yourself skateboarding to be featured on our story, as well as enter contests and giveaways from our sponsors. The first thing I'm going to help you with is learning how to approach a rail or ledge and the timing of when to pop. This will help you learn your roll-up angle and the timing for your ollie, which will make it easier for you to get both trucks onto your grind. Start with a ledge that is no higher than your skateboard when your board's on its side. Now place your skateboard on its side so the wheels touch against the outside of the low ledge. Use some painter's tape to tape a line parallel with your board just in front of the grip tape. This pop line will help provide a visual guide for when to pop your ollie. Now slide your board back so the nose is in the middle of the tape line. Now tape another line parallel to the nose. You can make this line as long as you need so you can see it from a distance. This line will guide you into the ledge so you can learn the angle needed to ollie into your grind. Now flip your board over so your nose faces the opposite direction and lay down another tape line. This way you'll have a tape line for learning frontside and backside 50-50s that'll help guide you into the angle needed to get onto your 50-50. Remember that frontside is when your front or chest is facing the ledge, and backside is when your back is facing the ledge. Here's what your 3 guidelines should look like when you're finished taping them on the ground. Here are the simple steps for a frontside 50-50 on a ledge. Take a screenshot of this foot setup position so you have it for later. Start about 20 feet back from a low ledge that you want to grind. Push off into slow to medium speed and place your feet into ollie position. Ollie position is when your front foot is about 2 inches behind the second set of front bolts on your front truck. Look down and center your pinky toe in between the 2 hardware bolts. Now place your back foot on the tail and center your foot so the balls of your feet are in the middle of the tail. You can put your pinky toe on your back foot on the edge of the tail or even let it hang off a little bit for extra pop. Remember to keep your body weight off of your heels and more over the balls of your feet when you pop for extra power. Next, make sure that your entrance angle into the ledge matches the frontside guide tape line. Just before you get to the ledge, bend down and pop hard before the nose of your board passes over the pop line that is parallel to the ledge. As you pop, begin to turn your shoulders parallel to the ledge. Lock into your grind so your heel wheels are against the outside-most edge of the ledge. Bend down into your grind with your legs strong, head centered between your feet, knees slightly bent, and shoulders matching the ledge. For extra balance, it helps to lean slightly over your toes while grinding so your body weight stays on top of the ledge. As your grind starts to slow down, begin to stand up as you lean back on your heels and push on the tail. Make sure to slightly swing your shoulders as you lean back into your frontside kick turn as you drop off and into your landing and roll away. Pro tips for this trick: going too slow can make it more challenging to get both trucks onto the ledge as well as into your grind, so try to keep your speed up. Leaning your head a little towards the ledge when you ollie can help your body go in that direction for extra help with getting onto the ledge. Locking in is super important for balance and consistency, so make sure that your heel wheels touch the outside edge of the ledge. Add speed into your grind and bend your knees while you lean gently over your toes for a longer and more balanced grind. Here's how to add style. More practice equals experience, which builds confidence and will allow you to relax more while you're skating. As you get better, you can add tricks in and out of your grinds, or simply add more speed for a longer grind. Here's how to bail. If you mess up locking into your grind, lean your head forward over your toes and into a run out. And if you mess up while grinding, you can spin your chest forward, lean your head over your front foot, step off with your back foot and into a run out along with the ledge. Here are the simple steps for backside 50-50. Here's the foot setup position, so take a screenshot so you have it for later. Start about 20 feet back from the low ledge that you want to grind. Push off into slow to medium speed and set your feet into ollie position. Ollie position is when your front foot is about 2 inches back behind the second set of front bolts. Now place your back foot on the tail and center your back foot on the balls of your feet so they are in the middle of the tail and so that your pinky toe is on the edge of the tail or even hanging off the edge of the tail for extra pop. Remember to keep the weight off of your heels when you ollie and stay focused over the balls of your feet for extra pop power. Next, make sure that your entrance angle into the ledge matches your backside guide tape line. Bend down and pop hard just before the nose of your board passes over the pop line on the ground. As you pop, begin to turn your shoulders parallel to the ledge by leaning gently over your toes. Lock into your grind so that your toe wheels are against the outside edge of the ledge. Bend down and into your grind with your legs strong, head centered between your feet, knees slightly bent, and shoulders matching the ledge. For extra balance, it helps to lean slightly over your heels while grinding so that your body weight stays on top of the ledge. As your grind starts to slow down, begin to stand up as you lean over your toes and push on the tail. Make sure to lean over and swing your shoulders into a backside kick turn and bend down as you drop off into your landing and roll away. Pro tip for this trick: going too slow can make it extra difficult to get both trucks onto the ledge, as well as complete your grind. So keep your speed up for extra momentum into your tries. Leaning your head in over your toes when you ollie can help your shoulders land parallel so that you can lock into your grind. Locking in is extremely important for balance and consistency, so make sure that your toe wheels touch the outside edge of the ledge. Add speed into your grind and bend your knees while you lean gently over your heels for a longer, more balanced grind. Here's how to add style. Remember that more practice equals experience, which builds confidence and allow you to relax more while skating. As you get better, you can add tricks in and out of your grinds or add more speed for a longer grind. Here's how to bail. If you mess up locking into your grind, lean your head over your toes and into a run out. If you mess up while grinding your backside 50-50, spin your chest forward, lean your head over your front foot, and step off with your back foot and into a run out. Here are some common problems and how to correct them. Are you scared to try a rolling ollie into your grind? You can set your board about 4 inches out parallel to the ledge and lean your head over your toes while you ollie frontside to help you ollie in that direction to get on top of the ledge. Remember to focus on your pop and pop hard to get your back truck up high enough to get both trucks on the ledge. This is a great way to build confidence for landing onto the ledge before rolling into your ollie. Having trouble getting your back wheels onto your grind? You may need to skate a little bit faster into your ollie or check your ollie foot position and pop harder from the tip of the tail. Miss your lock-in or having trouble holding your balance in your grind? Make sure that the inside part of your wheels are locked into the outside edge of the ledge. And be sure to bend down with strong legs when you lock into your grind. Are you missing your front wheels onto your 50-50? Focus on keeping your shoulders and your arms parallel to the ledge while grinding. Here are some related trick ideas to inspire you for more combinations. For beginner, 50-50 a low ledge frontside and backside. For intermediate, 50-50 a flat bar or round rail. For advanced, 50-50 a bank to ledge. And try a 50-50 drop to 50-50. For pro, 50-50 a challenging street spot, ledge, handrail, or down rail. The skate term for this lesson is lock-in. This is when you set your trucks in the best location for your grind for optimal balance and consistency depending on your grind. Remember that this is a channel and we have many more videos to help you. So please click the blue Skate Heart logo to learn more. Please share this channel with your friends or anyone who would benefit from it, and they'll appreciate your consideration. We put a lot of time and love into making quality educational videos for you. We even upload them for free to help more people around the world. So please send a donation to help us keep this channel alive for you. Donation details and other important information, including my board setup, are in the description box below. Leave me your comments or represent your country, including any questions you may have, your thoughts or feedback about this video, and ideas or lessons for future videos, so I can continue to do my best to help you guys reach your goals. I hope you were inspired by this video and gained a better understanding of skateboarding. Thanks again for watching, and be sure to meet me back here for more of your favorite skate park lessons. Get out of here, this is so ridiculous.
So Josh Maylog, what do you?
Pro tip for this trick is to get a clicker.
I think I'm gonna put that in.
Here's the foot setup positions to like and subscribe. Baby 2. Let's go. Ron.
Ow!
Technical difficulties. Sheesh. Okay. Rookie Ron. Okay.